Welcome to chainandsprockets.co.uk, one of the UK's leading supplier of parts for motorcycles and quads. This is a chain and sprocket kit for the popular KTM 65SX motocross bike. It fits all model years from 2004 to 2018. For sprockets, we use the JT brand, which are the world's largest producer of heavy-duty sprockets. We've upgraded the front sprocket to a purpose-designed self-cleaning motocross sprocket and the rear to a race-grade 7075 T6 advanced aviation-grade aluminium sprocket. The sprockets in this kit are standard teeth size, the front being a 14 tooth and the rear being 48. However, we can supply these in non-standard sizes upon request. The drive chain is supplied by DID, made in Japan. They are the original parts supplier to all the main motorcycle manufacturers and commonly used on the racetrack. This kit contains a 420 NZ3 motocross racing chain, part of DID's industry-leading ER range produced specifically for racing. The NZ3 is further upgraded with STH pins to maximise wear resistance. This racing chain is used by leading motocross teams and is featherweight at just 0.82 kilos per 100 links. The connecting link is a race-developed split link. This enables the chain to be easily and quickly fitted and removed when needed. The chain is supplied with a gold and black finish. Need more data? Please don't hesitate to log on to www.chainsandsprockets.co.uk. Thanks for watching.